So once you open your JPEG, this picture, if you go to your actions palette, which is over here, I think you should be able to see my mouse cursor. It's this play button right here. You're going to need to load the two new actions that I sent you, and one of them is this one, Stavanger, and the other one is Filter Grade Light Leaks Series 2. So you're going to load those by going up here and hitting load, and then you'll get them all loaded up. Because there are certain actions in the action that I made that reference those. This one right here, I'm actually playing an action from here. And then this one here, I'm playing an action from here. So once you have those loaded up, it should work fine. I tested it on my laptop. So what you're going to do is, so this is like the folder that contains sets of actions. This is one action. You don't need to expand this because this just shows all of the different steps inside of it. So you can collapse that. So you're running this. It's a set of steps. So once you have that selected, you just go down here and hit play, and you'll see what happens in your layers palette, and then in your history palette. Here, I'll pull this over here so you can see. That way you'll be able to see how it goes through all the steps by itself. So here we have this, and then we're going to hit run, and it just went through all those steps all by itself. And so what you're left with here is this layer right here. This is the finished layer. If I hide it and then hide some of these settings, this is the original JPEG right here. So if I turn this back on, this is the new one. Now, if you find that you don't love the effect, you can always come up here and create a brightness contrast layer and tweak it that way. Or you can actually come back into these and adjust the opacity, which will change the effect. I have this one set to 80 and this one set to 20. If you turn this one all the way up, you'll see that it's an actual light leak layer. So I just have it coming in really, really subtle, just like that. And if I hide it, you can see that it just it creates like a nice color cast to it. So anyway, this is the merged layer that has all of the effects together. So this is what you would go ahead and drag into, you would go ahead and drag this into another layered file or PSD. So, but yeah. And then if you ever want to back out of some of the steps that happen, you can just click here through your history palette. So anyway, there you have it. Let me know if you have any questions.